Hello friends, let's start with rapid prototyping application. Why it is used in different areas. So let's begin those applications. So first application is nothing but its concept modeling. That is nothing but use of a particular rapid prototyping model. So how concept modeling leads small design and engineering firms to extend their reach by testing out more ideas and developing only a right project. For large companies, concept modeling within the departments or even in individual cubicles is a way to hone the ideas before presenting them to superiors. For example, California-based 3D reprographics makes the architecture models for its clients, and they found 3D printing to be a great fit for making those strong, accurate presentation model as shown in the figure. So any architecture model, any building model, or any long form, so we can use that industrial application or the architecture application purpose. We make those models. For example, if in mechanical industry also the layout of the boiler plant, that also we can mounted by using 3D model by using this concept modeling technique of 3D printing. So this is very useful to locate or to capture the very largest part in a particular area, and we also get the good knowledge about the area and how it is built. Okay. So that is very important. So the concept models are very essential nowadays in every sector. So let's begin with next example. That is a functional prototyping. So functional prototyping is a very important part in our mechanical industries, so that we are using functional prototyping models directly onto the application of particular uh, model, or directly we are taking the test on that model. So functional prototyping helps in creating amazing realistic prototypes with the look and the feel of a real product. For example, Lamborghini, while developing its a new flagship model, Aventador in 2011, made extensive use of 3D printing technology to build a functional prototype of this car. So, for functional prototyping, we can design all different types of models, like a car and any other type of model which are future related. So, those models we can make today by using this prototyping process. Okay, so functional prototypes are very important, and accordingly, the actual model was built. Okay, so that is one of the example of Lamborghini. Next, manufacturing tools. Quick, low volume tooling and custom fixtures are give manufacturers the flexibility to embrace more opportunities. For example, the Xerox is introduced a low volume printer to serve a specialized market. 3D printing offered a quick solution with 350 components printed and generated within 1 hour for testing for of the new machine. That is as shown in the figure. So manufacturing tools also built by using 3D printing approach, and those are actually used in the manufacturing sector for making the fixtures and jigs. So this low volume tooling is also very important. Then end use parts. The use of this, that is 3D printing, is capable of building the most durable, stable and repeatable parts in the industry whose accuracy can be compared with injection molding. Okay, so remember, one of the components that which are used in aircraft that is shown in this figure, where the CAE manufacturing company KMC is the world largest manufacturer of general aviation instruments, makes extensive use of 3D printing by producing prototyping of critical components for a aircraft quickly, and the process would otherwise take a estimated of 3 to 4 weeks. So remember, the time is very important in manufacturing sector. So what they actually did, they have changed those parts with 3D printing instead of injection molding, and same or more same components we can build in aircraft parts also. So that is the end use of parts. Finishing, that is the most important use or application of a our rapid prototyping process, where the sealing, polishing, painting expand the possibilities of what a 3D printer is capable of, and product development solutions specializes in supplying components to a wide range of industries, including medical, aerospace, and it makes extensive use of 3D printing technology in finishing and painting the parts for a better look and feel of a component. So the different designs of the inside interior of the car or interior of the any shop, those are also decorative or finished parts we can make by using 3D printing process, and it's easy to available and it's having a good quality. So that type of finishing and that type of part we can get easily by using rapid prototyping process. So this is the main uses of our rapid prototyping. So these are the main applications. Which are those? First is concept modeling, functional prototyping, manufacturing tools, end user parts, and finishing. These are the five tools on the basis of rapid prototyping applications are divided, and those are used worldwide in every sector. Okay? Thank you so much